The life of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the most important leaders in history. He was born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, a small town in India. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but later he was called Mahatma, which means great soul. He came from a humble family, and his father was a government official. As a child, Gandhi was shy and quiet. He did well in school and followed the rules. When he was 19 years old, he traveled to England to study law. He worked hard and became a lawyer. After finishing his studies, he went back to India. However, he soon moved to South Africa to work. In South Africa, Gandhi faced discrimination. People were treated unfairly because of their race and skin color. Gandhi experienced this himself when he was thrown off a train for sitting in a whites-only compartment. This event changed his life. He decided to fight against injustice. Gandhi used nonviolent resistance to oppose unfair laws. He believed in peaceful protests, not fighting or violence. Many people joined him because they also wanted change. Gandhi led protests, organized strikes, and even went to jail for his beliefs. After 20 years in South Africa, Gandhi returned to India in 1915. India was under British rule, and many Indians wanted independence. Gandhi became a leader in the Indian independence movement. He taught people to use nonviolence to resist British rule. One of his most famous actions was the Salt March in 1930. The British controlled the salt trade and taxed it heavily. Gandhi and his followers marched 240 miles to the sea to make their own salt. This peaceful protest inspired millions of people. Gandhi also fought against social problems in India, like poverty, inequality, and the caste system. He believed all people, no matter their religion or background, should be treated equally. Gandhi lived simply. He wore plain clothes, ate simple food, and spent his time helping others. In 1947, India gained independence. It was a great victory for Gandhi and his followers. However, he was very sad because there was violence between Hindus and Muslims. Gandhi worked hard to bring peace between the two groups. On January 30, 1948, Gandhi was assassinated by a man who did not agree with his ideas. His death shocked the world, but his teachings of peace, love, and non-violence continue to inspire people everywhere. Mahatma Gandhi is remembered as a symbol of peace and a champion for justice. His life shows the power of truth and nonviolence in bringing about change.